so good.
Hi, how you doing? Just want to make a base cream, a very fast action base cream that is very effective for stubborn skin. Sorry, I'm about the background. Those are my ingredients I will be adding into my already double boiled product on the double boiler. If you're adding glycolic acid and lactic acid or any of this alpha hydroxy in your base cream, do not add beta hydroxy with alpha hydroxy. I'm not going to go into detail about that. If you're adding alpha hydroxy, make sure it's alpha hydroxy. If you're adding beta hydroxy acid, which is example of BHA, which is beta hydroxy acid, is salicylic acid. So if you're adding, for instance, glycolic acid and lactic acid, ensure to boost it, ensure to activate it. Boosting it will help make it will help boost the efficacy of that glycolic and lactic acid to work quickly, to help remove those accumulated dead dry skin cells, so that it can make cream penetrate quickly on your skin and work faster. Okay, and one of the ingredients you can use, or two of the or any of these ingredients that you can use to boost it, is citric acid or malic acid. We have tartaric acid as well. You can use either of it, just one, add into it to help boost it. Like people that are doing pro mix, that they add cream activator into their cream to boost. So it depends. So it's not about adding too many ingredients into a formulation, but knowing what you're doing. Make your research. Read. Skincare is not about you learning and that's it. You keep learning every day because new things keep popping up, you know. So that's one of the tips I need to tell you that people don't tell you on this channel. Okay, and yeah, I'm adding also collagen. I always add collagen to any of my base cream, and it's safer when you make your base cream rather than getting the already formulated base cream, like those people buying glutathione or mendo or something, and then you add all sort of serum, all sort of stuff, even whitening powder. You don't even know what it contains. They say it contains fruit acid and blah blah blah, but most of these formulators, they don't list out all their ingredients in the ingredient page. So some of them still keep some of their vital ingredients. Nobody wants anybody to copy their stuff and then formulate it, you know. They still had two or few of their ingredients and just list the most vital part. So you have to be very careful about your formulation, okay, when you're formulating cream. So because when you do that, add so many stuff on already formulated product, it gives your customer these patches. Some part will be white, while some part is dark. Some part it takes time for it to blend properly. It doesn't blend easily. You know, I've made all this mistake myself. So you learn as time goes on, okay? So let's jump into it. You can see reason for this is because I do make a product which I send to customer for a brand, and my brand, I always tell my customer, they know those that patronize me from US, Germany, Austria and so on, and when I send it to them, you don't need to miss anything. Just all you need to do, if you love the consistency, that is the thickness, if it's too thick, if it's not too thick, if you want to add, the least you can do is just to add get extract or rose water and add to it. Not too much, then you can bottle it, okay? So that's the only thing you can do. But any other thing, do not add a serum or anything, because my product is already, and when I make it, when I formulate and I send to you for rebrand, that's it. All you need to do is just to rebrand it. I'm making some batch which is going out. Sorry about the background noise. I'm making some batch which is going out. Making loads. I've been making non-stop since 4 days ago. Got a big wholesale batch that I'm sending to a customer in the US that always rebrand my product. And sorry, I'll be uploading more, like I said, and also I'll be doing a pro mix video for some of my customers that love to whitening of their skin, that want effective results apart from the organic. I also do that because if you want to be in skincare business, you need to do both. Trust me. You have to put any other belief or anything aside. It's all about making money, and not about making money, but yeah, it's part of it. But to be in the skincare business, you need to do a pro mix, the first one, then the organic. Trust me, organic works. I use it. You can see my skin, so this is not like yes or anything. My skin has been like this with no problem for years. So I don't want anybody to talk about my nails, oh please. Oh. So I'm making this batch that is going out, and I've got my collagen here, and also I've got my what is inside here as well. I think I can't remember. Yeah, collagen, and yeah, and I also have my alatone and also inside alpha button in here. And these are my coolant stage. This is the coolant part of my product, which consists of my glycolic acid, my lactic acid. It has, you can see the varnished at the top, that is the vitamin E, which is my Toco Fairy. So I got it from this brand, this company. So if you want to buy it, yeah. So that's it. And yeah.